Hey folks, this is Stupid Pac-Man here, bringing you another tech video. Today we're going to be talking about my broken Galaxy S9 Plus. So, I had the screen replaced by a Shurion, and they do not get it watertight again. So when I dropped it in a pool, despite it being IP67 certified, it is not after a Shurion does work on it. Now this is Sprint Assurian, so they told me to send it into Samsung warranty afterwards so that they would have no problem warranting it, which in all actual fact, no, they can't warranty it at all if Assurian touches it because they're not a warranty center for Samsung. So anyway, needless to say, this is how Samsung sent me back the phone. The back of the glass was not broken, it was just fine. But so to get into a Galaxy S9 Plus, and this could be true for all glass-backed phones, but at least anything that's IP67, they basically have to break the back of the phone to get in here. So they said it was pretty much completely effed. They were going to leave the battery. They said the battery was fine, even though that battery looks expanded to me. I don't think it's supposed to be mushy like that. Not quite so fat. Definitely sticks out quite a bit more than what the glass would be. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a pretty decent sized gap. I mean, maybe they press that hard on the phone, I don't know. But anyway, needless to say, in case anybody was wanting to see what the back of an S9 Plus looks like when it's opened up, there's your wireless charging, there's the battery, your cameras, and then I think that like pretty much this entire surface is glued. Maybe it's just down here, or maybe that's just where Assurion just did it, and I'm not sure. But this little white edge is sticky all the way around, so maybe that's what the sealing layer is supposed to be. Now, I talked to an authorized warranty center, and they told me that they do a pressure test on them after they get done replacing the glass. So it's just really crappy service from Assurion on their glass replacement, and I wouldn't recommend having them replace it. Get somebody else who knows how to actually seal up the phone and test the phone to make sure it's sealed, or else you end up buying another phone. And that's what I'm filming this on. So just wanted to show everybody that. That's what the inside of a Galaxy S9 Plus looks like. Not much to it. But to get in there, you're going to need a new glass. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.